Huawei's latest offering, the P70 Pro. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore every aspect of this eagerly anticipated device, from its cutting-edge design to its powerhouse specifications. Join us as we unlock the potential of the Huawei P70 Pro and discover what makes it a true game-changer in the world of mobile technology. Huawei, known for pushing the boundaries of innovation, is on the brink of releasing its flagship P70 series. Among these, the P70 Pro stands out as a beacon of futuristic design and groundbreaking technology. With its imminent launch expected by the end of March, anticipation is at an all-time high. Leaked drawings have provided us with a glimpse into the design ethos of the Huawei P70 Pro. Alongside the regular P70 and the unique P70 Art Edition, the Pro variant showcases a design language that exudes sophistication and modernity. While opinions may vary, the Art Edition's futuristic aesthetic promises to turn heads and redefine smartphone aesthetics. The Huawei P70 Pro is set to redefine the smartphone experience with its impressive array of specifications. Notably, the inclusion of 5G support across all models marks a significant leap forward from its predecessors. Reports hint at variations in chip frequency between standard and pure versions, ensuring unparalleled performance regardless of the variant. As pioneers in smartphone photography, Huawei continues to raise the bar with the P70 Pro's camera setup. Rumors suggest a formidable combination of a 50-megapixel main camera and a 4x periscope telephoto lens, promising unparalleled clarity and zoom capabilities. While details about the sensor remain unconfirmed, expectations are high for a revolutionary imaging experience. The Huawei P70 Pro aims to captivate users with its stunning display technology. With screen sizes ranging from approximately 6.58 inches to 6.8 inches and resolutions of 1.5K, the device promises a visually immersive experience. Additionally, support for LTPO technology ensures dynamic refresh rate adjustment and reduced power consumption, perfect for extended usage without compromise. 6. Competitive landscape. In a market dominated by industry heavyweights like Samsung and Apple, Huawei aims to carve its niche with the P70 Pro. With a focus on photography prowess, the device sets itself apart from the competition. As Huawei solidifies its position in every segment, the P70 Pro's cameras are poised to challenge the likes of the Samsung Galaxy S24 and the iPhone 16 series. The Huawei P70 Pro represents a glimpse into the future of smartphone technology. With its futuristic design, cutting-edge specifications, and unparalleled camera capabilities, it sets a new standard for innovation in the industry. As we await its official launch, the P70 Pro holds the promise of redefining the smartphone landscape and leaving a lasting impression on tech enthusiasts worldwide. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Huawei P70 Pro. Stay tuned for more updates and insights as we continue to explore the ever-evolving world of technology. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for the latest news and reviews. Until next time, stay curious and keep innovating.